So guys, we are moving to our next step. After overview, it's in tutorial environment setup. Here is some useful information how to do it, but we already did it. Just let's check Scala compiler. Is it written there? We can use any shell or command line Scala -version. Waiting a bit. Aha, we should do it in terminal. Yep, Scala Code Runner version 2.12.2. Nice. So, move forward. Next step is basic syntax overview. Here is as first sentence quite important information that if you already have good understanding of Java, then there won't be a big effort from you for understanding Scala. And the biggest syntax difference between Scala and Java is that the semicolon, line, and chapter is optional in Scala. So overviews: objects, classes, methods, fields, it's all the same. A closure is a function whose return value depends on the value of one or more variables declared outside this function. It's something related to lambda expression in Java, but with more mathematician way, if it's possible to say so. And traits. Trait encapsulate method and field definition, which can then be reused by mixing them into classes. It's something like interfaces in Java with small difference. So that's it. It's almost the same like in Java, but with small differences. There is Hello World examples, and the interesting point that you can do it in like two different ways, in script mode and interactive. We already did it in script mode, so we created like simple application and object for that, but that's it. But let's try to do it also in script mode. For that we need our terminal or any console like application. We'll use embedded in IntelliJ IDEA, so calling Scala, and then we can call println with some line. Hello Scala. And yes, hello Scala is printed there. So Ctrl C for outing from it, but it's working fine. That's cool. And a bit another way for creating hello world than we used. Here is main method that can generate IntelliJ IDEA without extending of app class. Hello standard mode. It's script mode hello world. So we created two hello world applications during last 5 minutes. That's fine. And unit is subtype of annual. And we will take a look at hierarchy soon. 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . If we want to return something from method, we can use unit, something like void in Java. There are some Java docs about that, but let's move forward. So also basic syntax is case sensitive. Code conventions are the same to Java, and that's cool. Program file name with Scala extension. Let's check it. Yes, hello Scala. Scala identifiers. Legal and illegal values, so not possible to start from special symbols, and interesting thing, operator identifiers. Few symbols like few semicolons or plus plus can be used in Scala. Scala keywords, some of them are same to Java, but here are a few new, like lazy, dev, clit, implicit, null is exist in Java, try and var from first letter capital. Okay, fine. So that's a Scala keyword. Keywords. We reviewed them. Try and var. Yes. Funny. Comments in Java. Multi-line comments. Same to Java. Packages. Also same to Java, but with small difference. Here is possibility to import few classes with one import. So that's it, guys. We have went through all the syntaxes basics with you and can move forward. So let's do it.